அன்பான உறவுகள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today I'm going to teach you a fantastic song, Rowdy Baby, from the movie Mari 2. So this song, it has been requested by many of my subscribers. So my dear friends, it's your favorite song. Hope you like it. So before moving to a song, like, share and subscribe my channel and get benefited. Click bell icon for my regular updates. Moving on to the notation, I'll place a notation link at the description. So if you have any doubt, you can either comment in the comment box or you can mail me to my mail ID, which I'll place in description. So now moving on to the song, I have tuned my Veena Shruti to 4, that is F. So this song, Rowdy Baby, it is sung in a Shruti 2.5. So what I'm going to do is, I have tuned my Shruti to 4 and I'm going to consider my knee 1 as Sa. So I tell you how the 2.5 Shruti comes. So it's just for your knowledge, so I'll tell you. So now my Shruti is 4. So after 4, it is 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, which is also known as half Shruti, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So likewise, my knee 1 will be 2.5 Shruti when I consider knee 1 as Sa. So my Sa pa Sa will be. So it's just for your knowledge, my dear friends, but don't worry. What I've done is, I have converted all the swaras into 4 Shruti. So just like that, you can follow the notation. You no need to convert any swaras. Okay. So I tell you the swaras present in this song. Sa, Rivan, Gavan, Mavan, Pa, Davan, Nivan, Sa, Nivan, Davan, Pa, Mavan, Gavan, Rivan, Sa. So in some places Ga2, Ma2 is also present, because when we are converting such swaras come. So I'll tell you when it comes. Okay. So now moving on to the song, it starts from Ma, Tarastha, Ma. So from Ma, we have towards Sa, we have to slide it, single meter. Understood? So Ma, Sa. Okay. Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ri, Ni. Okay. Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ri, Ni. Ri, Ni, single meter. So Ma, Sa, Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ri, Ni. Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ga, Ma. So likewise, Ga, Ma, single meter. Understood? Again, Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ri, Ni. Ni, Ni, Ri, Sa. Understood? So till here. So once again, the same portion has to be played. The Sagityam is different, but the tune is same. So we have to play the same swaras. Again, that is Ma, Sa. Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ri, Ni. Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ga, Ma. Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ri, Ni. Ri, Ni, Ri, Sa. So Sa, we can give slide kamakam. Okay, because when we consider Ni as Sa, the Sa will be Ri. So according to a Sagityam, I am teaching you a song. So Ni, Ni, Ri, Sa. Understood? Then Ni, Ri, Sa, Ni. Okay. Ni, Ri, Sa, Ni, Sa, Ga. Ni, Ri, Sa, Ni, Sa, Ni, Da. Ni, Da, you have to give gamakam and sliding. Understood? Ni, Ri, Sa, Ni, Sa, Ga. Ni, Ri, Sa, Ni, Sa, Ni, Da. Ni, Ri, Sa, Ni, Sa, Ga. Here we'll get now Ga2 and Ma2. I'll tell you. Re, Ga, Ma, Ma. So Ma1, Ma2, again Ma1, then Ga2 and Ma1. I think it will be little bit confusing. Just observe properly. Okay. You can also use the alternative meter. Re, Ga, single meter. Ma, Ma, single meter. Ma, Ga, Ma. Understood? We can play like this part. So this part I'll play and show you. Re, Ga, Ma, 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 Ga, Ma. Understood? Ma1, Ma2, again Ma1, then Ga2, again Ma1. Hope it's clear. So till here slowly I'll play and show you. Hope it's clear till here. After that, ni sa re sa ni da ni ma. Understood? It is not necessary to put all meters. You can also use alternative meter here because little faster it will come. So ni sa re sa ni da. That is ni sa re. Sa re single meter. Sa ni da single meter. Hope it's clear. So ni sa re sa ni da ni ma. Ni sa re sa ni da ni ma. Ni sa re sa ni da ni ma. So this ga we can pull it. Understood? So once again, ni sa re sa ni da ni ma. Ni sa re sa ni da ni ma. Ni sa re sa ni da ni ma. So this is a Pallavi portion. So slowly once again I'll play all together. I'll play and show you. So once again the same thing we have to play. So this is a Pallavi part. Now moving on to the Charanam. Ni ni da ni. So that ni what we have to do? We have to slide from da. Understood? Ni ni da ni. Ni da ni. Understood? So to have an effect of a song, you can slide from da. So it sounds very good when we slide it from da. Okay? So ni ni da ni. Ni da ni. Ni. So the once again, ni ni da ni. Da ni re sa da ni ga re sa. It's clear? So ni da ni da ni. Understood how I am playing? Please do observe. So da ni re sa da ni ga re sa. That is re sa. What I am doing? Single meter re sa. Understood? So once again, ni da ni. So ni da ni da ni. Da ni re sa da ni ga re sa. Ni re sa da. Okay? So there should be a connection between each and every swarams here. Okay, this line. That is ni. Okay, observe properly. Understood? Ni re sa da ni re sa. Understood how I am playing? Re sa. So ni re sa da ni re sa. Ni re sa da ni ga re sa. Understood? Ni ga re sa. You can also play it in a direct place. Those are finding difficult to give gamakam in re. I am playing ga in re. So those are finding difficult. You can also play it in a ni ga re sa or ni ga re sa. So till here Charanam slowly I'll play and show you. Observe. Understood? Then so first time plain. Ni re sa da ni re sa. Ni re sa da ni ga re sa. So then again the Sagitya might be different, the tune is same. So the same Pallavi part, the second half will come. That is ni re sa ni sa da. Ni re sa ni sa ni da. Ni re sa ni sa da. So same. ni ni ga ma 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 ga ma. Again ni re sa ni sa ga, ni re sa ni sa ni da, ni re sa ni sa ga. Again same ni ni sa ni sa ni da, ni ma ni sa ni sa ni da, ni ma pa. So that's it. This is a Pallavi, Charanam portion. So slowly once again Charanam all together. I'll play and show you. Just observe it. So this is a Charanam part. Hope I think this video will be useful for you, and I think this video, I think you like this video very much. And if you like my video and the way I teach you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you so much.